Good morning, you guys. Hope you are having a really great morning. It is pretty early. It is about 9 o'clock, and pretty much what I've been doing is taking all of the plates off. So I'm really excited because the electrician is on the way. So I've pretty much been kind of putting everything here, getting everything kind of set and ready for him to do the installation. I don't know how far the videos are, just because I'm basically recording like 2 videos a day. I'm recording in the morning, I'm recording at night, so that way I can stay on top. I don't feel like super like backed up with the content or whatever. My electrician is gonna come this morning. He's gonna come in this morning and he's gonna do the extra outlet up under the stairs, which is, I'll share that outlet with you guys. Can't think of everything now. I'm gonna be picking out fabrics for the furniture. The drapery company is gonna be coming in to do the measurements for that. And I think that's pretty much what's going on today. And then I have to call Home Depot because with the delivery that they made yesterday, they made a mistake. They actually left off the plywood for the closet. Oh, and he's gonna be doing the closet, the plug in there. So I'm really excited about getting everything done. I'm excited, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish. I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking the remainder of the plates off. That way he knows exactly which one to do. And what I've done is I've basically written on the wall things that he needs to like move this over here, add a plug here, change plate here. I just wrote it with a pencil because the walls are gonna get painted, so not a big deal. Oh, and I'm also gonna be looking up a different paint color. I think I'm still gonna go super light and super neutral. I love just the openness of the space in general. I think I'm gonna go darker once I start going into like the small nook areas and create a totally different vibe in those spaces. Again, you'll see the paint, you'll see fabrics, you'll see even like the shutters, the drapery and all that stuff. But in terms of like the furniture, that's gonna be last, because I just wanna get these, you know, these are like the big things that normally cost a lot. And the good thing about these things is they're gonna be adding value to the house. So I'm really excited, you know, what that's gonna look like in the future. But anyway, like I said, let me go ahead and take the plates off. Oh, good. It looks amazing. I'm so happy. Oh, this one is a little, I have to make him make this a little bit. It's got to move over a little bit. It's crooked. It's crooked. Anyway, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So what I did with this one is, I think I told you guys, maybe, yeah, I think I did. The dimmer is right there. And then the front door has been changed also. This is like small, but it's major, baby. And that's a little crooked too. We're gonna fix that. And for the room under the stairs, I'm gonna do this so the kids, each of them can charge their the pads, the phones, and whatever else in here. So I'm excited. It's tamper resistant, which is why I got it, so that way the kids don't mess with it. You guys, I'm going up the stairs, and that's changed too. It looks so good. I'm in the master, and as you can see, the dimmer in the new light. I'm in the master bathroom. And then this is the last dimmer, which is going to be for the loft space. Yes, Jesus. Okay, so hold on. Let me let you guys see. Oh, I don't know. This may not work on a dimmer. This may not work. Oh, you would have thought I ain't never had a dimmer before, but this is my house. I have a dimmer in my house. Oh my goodness. She finds it. Now listen, I need you to stop. Let me put it on the floor, y'all. It don't want to focus, but look. Yeah. Oh, this is exactly what I want. So that way when I'm up here, if I don't want the lights to be like super, super bright, because it's gonna be daylight bulbs, I can make it like just nice enough so the kids get up. It's not like super bright. If I want to do like a little night light.
What floor are you doing in there?
Huh?
What floor are you doing in there?
Hardwood?
Oh, okay.
Hardwood? I'm doing hardwood everywhere. Do you think you're gonna come back out here again?
Yeah, I will.
I got the camera down to the flow because I don't know if Mr. Eric want to be on camera. What we doing, Mr. Eric? What we doing?
Fixing to put your outfit here.
Okay.
Still recording.
Huh?
Still recording.
They not gonna see your face. They just gonna see your boots.
Still YouTubing.
Still YouTubing. Yeah. Cause my clients be like, oh, I seen you do that. I want that too. So I gotta do the YouTubing. And then I have the drywall guy coming. And then I have the trim guy coming. Well, now that this is done, the drywall guy can come the next couple of days. If you guys are wondering, you see the cord that's hanging? There was a wall right here, if you're new. And the wall had the plug right here in the beams. And then this was hanging here. So now what he's going to do is take this plug and put it back there. Even though I really can't use the plug, if this room, one, converts back to a bedroom, the plug will be there. Two, I had like my jeans and stuff down there. And once in a while, if I was vacuuming or something, I would move the pants out the way and plug it and use it and stuff like that. So I just want the plug to be back so that way the extra plug will be there, because technically this was a bedroom. All right, you guys, what I'm gonna be doing now is basically looking at some fabrics so I can figure out pillow selection, sofa in the bed. Even though I may not be ordering something right this minute, my purpose is at least I'll have an idea of the colors, and it will help me with the decor around, like for the drapery, for the paint colors and all that. It'll help me just to get those things kind of done and completed. But that's pretty much what I'm looking at right now, and pretty much I've decided I'm gonna probably stay in the same color theme as the previous house, which is going to be the blues, the teals, lavender. I'm probably gonna bring in some greens, just really nice, beautiful colors that I can easily transition for every day into the seasons. You know, I do fall and Christmas and all that stuff, so I definitely want everything to play really well together. Just in case if you're wondering, you're probably gonna see my electrician kind of peeking through here and there, different spaces, because I am doing all the plates and stuff, which I kind of shared with you guys a little bit earlier, but that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing now. All right, these are definitely the fabrics that I'm going to be going with. The two up top is for the drapery. I'm not going to tell you guys where it's going. It's going to be a surprise. And then the back fabric, I haven't decided yet, but it may just be pillows. Again, I'm not going to tell you guys where it's going. This one here is brush black nickel, which I really do love. It's not too silvery. And it looks good. I think it looks good. Let me see. It looks good. I like it. I even like these colors a whole lot. Yep. Now for me to work on the paint color. You guys, I am really, really excited. So number one, I spoke with someone today. We had a really good conversation. We were on the phone for about an hour, so that was really good. These lights, I have to actually return them. I have to return these two, and I have to return the other one because I thought it was a can light, and it's not. It's a one of those light conversion, whatever. I don't even know why they put it there, but oh well. I don't have a light fixture, so I'm not gonna focus on it. I think I'm gonna go around the house and show you exactly what's being done and what got done. And I'm just like overelated because instead of taking that plug and flipping it into that closet, if you were here in the beginning process, because if you haven't, you're like, what is she talking about? Don't even worry about it. I'll show you in another video. But instead of taking that plug and switching it and putting it in the closet, he said it was just a lot easier just to put another plug. He went into the attic, drop, boom, boom, just like that, had another plug. So that plug is still in the room, and now in the laundry room closet where I'm gonna create that storage, it has a plug also. So that's really good. That's number one. Number two, the boys' room. They have their plug in there and it looks amazing, and I can't wait when they get to go in that room and they get to plug up all their little electronic things in there. Looks really good. I think I mentioned this a little early on in the video, but let me just say this again. Everything that's getting done was under $1,000. To me, it was an affordable switch. I'm sure $1,000 is a lot, but considering what it's doing for me in terms of like everything, I'm just really happy. And I'm sharing the $1,000 because you guys know, in terms of my business, I have clients that ask me like, I want to do this, I want to do this. I think it's always good to be able to give you guys realistic pricing, so that way in terms of like if you're working on something, you at least have a base price of what it's going to look like. And I say a base price simply because depending on where you're at, your area, it may be more, it may be less, I don't really know. But you guys know, like my go-to electrician, like he's done a lot of the light fixtures and stuff, and he is licensed and everything like that. So he's not, you know, Uncle Tony, you know, my cousin Fred, like he ain't them people, okay? That's his business, what he does for an actual living. What else? The framing guy, he frames for the builder. He framed this house, and while they were framing, I asked him to come and do that, and he said okay. 100%, I highly recommend when you're getting your home built to go to the site and try to see if the workers are there. That way you can talk to them. So why am I whispering? It's a really good idea to speak to these people, so that way you can tell them like, hey, when the house is done, can you come and do this and do this? And they definitely will come because they already kind of know the in out of what they've done in the house. So I'm really excited. I mean, like really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of share some of the areas with you guys, but it looks so good. I am so excited. I think, I don't think when everything gets done, it's going to look magazine worthy, like 150,000%. I am really excited. I think that's basically it, you guys. I'm gonna get everything together, show you guys everything, and then I'm gonna come back and do a small like cleaning. Okay, I'm gonna go because I mean, life is amazing. You guys, the kids are gonna have a plug. This is nice. I like it. So I decided to do the plug right there instead of there, because if I decide to do the freestanding fireplace in front of here, I don't have to worry about the kids moving it to plug it. So he just did the installation. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. The drywall guy is gonna come, and once everything is drywall, it's gonna look really good. I'm excited. The great thing about it is the project wasn't too much. Everything still kind of fell under $1,000.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that was a good little upgrade. I call it affordable. Some of y'all may not agree with it, but I think it was affordable. That looks absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. I am not going to put the plate on the remainder of the plugs, like this guy here and of course over here, simply because I am going to paint the walls, because the walls are flat. So I want to go ahead and paint the walls, and the entryway is going to be getting done in approximately 2 weeks or so. So I'm not going to add the plates on because they're going to have to come off anyway. So I'm going to take the front plate off of this guy right here, but I'm going to leave the back plate on. But it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. You guys. Okay, I'm being annoying. So earlier today, I showed you the plug was right there. So he moved it over right there. There's going to be a large wall art that's going to go on this wall, which is why I needed this to be moved. And I'm so happy. And then, look at that. Oh my gosh. So freaking happy. Plug is here. Everything is fine. Very happy. Got everything together. Everything is looking good. Now the sheetrock guy gotta come.